L'Oreal from My Best German Recipes. It's a beautiful Sunday, and as I said in a post earlier, I'm going to do more live videos. So here is one. So, well, let me tell you, if you live in the right location, you can get this now. So here it is. I got this purple box. I don't know if you can read it. It says, ready for something wonderful? Well, what is it? Let me show you. So, this is actually a taste testing today. This is a nice bag from the company Wünder. And it is Quark. Quark that we all miss so much. This is here the plain quark that you will use for a cheesecake. This is here the strawberry, sorry, quark. The good thing is, it is non-GMO. They got the certification, and it has 15 grams of protein. It is sugar, 12 grams, and it has no chemicals. So it is natural flavor, whole milk, you know, from grass-fed cows. I like that. That's really cool. Another one is the matcha green tea. So, and another one is, which I'm going to try, coffee. I'm going to try this soon. That's actually a quark flavor I really like. So, which should I try? Coffee or vanilla? Maybe vanilla. I like this quark because it does not contain so much sugar. Nice and creamy. Wow. Wow, this is super good. So, you got to get this quark. Now, the good thing is, they have it also in a big container. Now, this is exactly the amount you would need for a cheesecake. It's 680 grams or 24 ounces. And so where do you get it? All over the East Coast, in special stores I really don't even know. And then you can get it again in Colorado. I did not find it in the Midwest and the southern states. So here in Tennessee, I can't buy it. So let's hope that it comes into these stores too. And here again, it's the Wünder Quark. So you always can go to their Facebook page. It's on Facebook, Wünder Creamery, and you can find them in the stores when you are in New Jersey, New York. This company is based in New York, by the way, and they started not long ago, so it's a startup. I like to support these kind of businesses. It's great, and I really love the product. I must say, I'm impressed. It's really nice, and it is like German Quark that I loved so much when I was in Germany. So, well, check it out here. Go to your store, go to the website wundercreamery.com, and please share this video so everyone can know that Quark is now available in the stores.